I used to do yoga week में
Mm-hmm.
once or twice, but I was not very deep into yoga
Mm-hmm.
philosophy
Mm-hmm.
or something like that. This came when I got this health condition of Barrett's esophagus
Mm-hmm.
recently, like 2 years ago.
What it is? Barrett's esophagus. I couldn't even say it right.
Barrett's Barrett's esophagus is something which so your gut, a
Mm-hmm.
tissue gets mutation happens in one of the tissue.
Mm-hmm.
The reason is unknown. It
Mm-hmm.
can be anything. It can be because of the stored anxiety or fear from your
Mm-hmm.
childhood, from all these
Mm-hmm.
years, whatever has happened.
Mm-hmm.
And so, reason is not known. It is basically
Mm-hmm.
because your gut and brain coordination has disrupted.
Mm-hmm.
So, the tissue inside your gut, which is just near stomach lining, has
Mm-hmm.
mutated.
Mm-hmm.
And this can rarely be reversed. Once it's
Mm-hmm.
mutated, it's mutated. Now
Mm-hmm.
it can only go worse from there. Can
Mm-hmm.
lead to cancer
Mm-hmm.
if not controlled.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
There is very rare chance of getting
Mm-hmm.
into that zone, but
Mm-hmm.
one cannot take risk.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
In such situation, doctor
Mm-hmm.
suggested that you should go deep into yoga,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
deep
Mm-hmm.
breathing, yoga,
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
there is actually no other solution.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I have
Mm-hmm.
shown to best of the best gastroenterologists in the
Mm-hmm.
country,
Mm-hmm.
and there is no literal solution. Everybody just asks me to control my nervous system, be
Mm-hmm.
stress free, do deep
Mm-hmm.
breathing,
Mm-hmm.
or stay away from your triggers. What triggers
Mm-hmm.
you? And
Mm-hmm.
certain food items.
Mm-hmm.
But food items don't play a very huge role, I came to know recently.
Mm-hmm.
It is more
Mm-hmm.
about your mind
Mm-hmm.
being calm.
Mm-hmm.
It's a
Mm-hmm.
very rare condition,
Mm-hmm.
which, and I did not realize that I was storing all this inside me and this has happened.
Mm-hmm.
So then I thought ki health has to be the first priority because then
Mm-hmm.
everything goes waste.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You cannot
So
enjoy your life.
because of that, it's took your life into the direction of yoga.
Yes, direction of yoga. I always wanted to do my own business, so everything
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
combined, and I
Mm-hmm.
took this path, and then I kept moving on deeper, deeper,
Mm-hmm.
because I
Mm-hmm.
started enjoying it. So I went deeper,
Mm-hmm.
deeper. I started seeing its impact on my community.